When you picture the modern economic engines of the Middle East, you likely imagine the standard blueprint: hyper-modern glass towers, frantic globalization, and economies built entirely to service transient expatriates. But anchoring the southeastern edge of the Arabian Peninsula is the oldest continually independent sovereign state in the Arab world, a nation built on centuries of maritime navigation rather than overnight oil wealth. It operates on a financial grid defined by high-value contradictions. To start, the nation runs on an absolute 0% personal income tax. This chart compares the dominant weight of the Omani Rial against both the US dollar and the euro. One Rial holds more value than either currency. Yet, despite this high-value currency and a lack of income tax, the nation has avoided the typical influx of low-cost foreign labor seen in its neighbors. Welcome to the 129th reality, a landscape of meticulously managed contradictions that we are about to unpack. In the capital of Muscat, the country's wealth is reflected in these spotless, low-rise white marble structures nestled against the dark, jagged rock. This pristine environment is shielded by a premium financial infrastructure. The local currency is heavily pegged to the US dollar, creating a conversion shock for incoming travelers. At this rate, one single Omani Rial demands $2.60 in US currency. Yet, despite wielding this massive global purchasing power, the internal cost of living remains surprisingly accessible. A high-quality traditional local platter inside the capital will run you between $4 and $9. Renting a fully modernized one-bedroom apartment in a secure central sector of Muscat costs between $400 and $750 per month. This powerful currency acts as a financial shield, maintaining high purchasing power for citizens, while blocking the speculative inflation that often follows foreign investment. Behind this shield is a national economy driven by crude oil extraction, massive engineering projects, and global maritime trade ports. While salaries here are completely and legally tax-free, the employment market is not an open door. Access is governed by a state regulatory framework known as Omanisation. As shown here, major professional sectors are reserved exclusively for citizens, narrowing foreign access down to specialized nodes like petroleum architecture or logistical engineering. For those securing these high-tier roles, compensation is lucrative. Corporate packages range from $3,000 to $6,500 a month, all completely tax-free. This system provides a baseline of prosperity for locals, while filtering foreign input down to a specific tier of highly skilled contributors. This dual-layered approach is mirrored by the geography. Up north, summers are scorching and dry, with daily temperatures in Muscat regularly breaching 45 degrees Celsius. But head south down the coast during those exact same blistering summer months, and the environment changes completely. The southern city of Salalah experiences the Kharif, a localized summer monsoon. The sun-blasted desert landscape transforms into lush, misty green valleys and active waterfalls. Because of these extremes, the prime window to live or travel across the Sultanate falls between October and April, when the winter sun remains mild. Oman's geography, like its economy, offers both harsh protective isolation and hidden abundance. What is the outcome of maintaining such a rigid, high-value economic loop? The Sultanate reports some of the lowest crime rates in the world. Violent crime and organized theft are virtually non-existent. Travelers and residents frequently walk the Mutra Corniche at 3 a.m. in the morning with total peace of mind. This security allows ancestral heritage to flourish. Daily life moves at a dignified pace, unhurried by the frantic globalization seen in other regional hubs. You see it in the Shuwa, a spiced meat wrapped in palm leaves and slow-cooked underground in a communal clay oven for 48 hours. And you smell it in the air. The ancient tradition of burning native frankincense remains a constant presence in Omani homes and markets. Oman demonstrates that a nation can fund a globalized economy while preserving its historical identity and public security. The physical symbol of this majestic preservation is the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque in Muscat. Inside, a hand-woven Persian prayer carpet covers the floor, a 21-ton achievement that took 600 expert weavers 4 years to complete. Would you baseline your creative workflow in a tax-free desert oasis running one of the highest valued currencies on Earth? Tell Tell us below. Next stop, Pakistan, the soaring mountain peaks and ancient Indus Valley corridors of South Asia. Subscribe to the channel to stay real.